Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to discuss about monsoon region. Actually, monsoon region is a subdivision of tropical region because there are three main regions of the world and they are further divided into different regions, and monsoon region is a subdivision of tropical region. First of all, I am going to explain that what is monsoon region. The monsoon region linked with the areas where monsoon winds bring rainfall. This is the region or area where monsoon winds bring rainfall. So here a question comes in mind that what are monsoon winds? Actually, these winds are trade winds. Trade winds mean these winds bring moisture or water vapors from the ocean and bring to these areas and cause rainfall in this area. They are trade winds or tropical easterlies. They are tropical easterlies. Tropical, which are in tropical area, and easterlies, these winds come from east side. So monsoon winds are trade winds or tropical easterlies. Now next thing is that which countries lie in this region? Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, South China, coastal areas of northern Australia are included in this region. So in these countries, mostly in the month of July, August, or from the end of June or July or August, the monsoon rains come. Our next heading is where from the monsoon winds come. Okay, they come from the oceans and carry copious amount of moisture. They come from the oceans and they carry a large amount of moisture. So that's why they are having lots of water vapors and they come in this area, in tropical area, and they cause rainfall. So as there is lot of rainfall in 2.5 months for the monsoon winds. So here a question comes in mind, so that what type of climate and natural vegetation is found in this area due to these monsoon rainfall. This area has hot to warm or wet summer. Summers are too hot or sometimes they are warm and they are mostly wet. Winters are mild and dry. In winters there are less rains and winters are not so intensive. They are mild. Cherrapunji is the Indian state of Assam, is the wettest place of this region. A state of Assam in India that is called Cherrapunji. This is the wettest place of this region. Paddy or rice, cotton, sugarcane and jute are the main crops of this region. Paddy is a rice that is covered with husk. The paddy or rice are the same things. Paddy is covered with husk and rice is without husk. So cotton, sugarcane and jute, these are the main crops of this region. And in this region, forest of bamboo and ironwood are found. Actually, the hardwood forests are found in this region, and this hardwood is used for making many things like houses, like furniture, and people living in this area use these bamboos and ironwood for their construction and for other purposes. Next heading is what are the human activities in this region? What people do there? Here The agriculture is the main activity of the people, and their staple food is rice. It means they depend upon rice too much. I think you might be knowing that in China and not in Pakistan, you can say, but in China and in Bangladesh, rice is a very favorite food. Subsistence farming. It means the farming which is done for their own need. A small type of farming, a farming on a small scale. The farming is also done here. People grow crops, people grow vegetables, fruits and other things for their own use, for their personal use. So what another thing they do? They do mining of coal and iron. This is also a profession of people living in this area. Extraction of oil and gas is also done here in this industry. And the next thing is industry. Yes, there is industrialization in this area of the world. Which are the most densely populated cities of this region? They are actually not of this region, but they are the densely populated cities of the world, and they are Delhi, Karachi, Lahore, Mumbai, Bangkok, etc. So these are the cities of these famous cities of this area which are densely populated. Let us revise the lesson. Okay, so monsoon winds come from the east side and they come from the oceans, and they bring lot of rainfall in the month of June and July and August in the monsoon countries. They come from the oceans, and the climate of this region where monsoon winds come, or where the monsoon winds cause rainfall, is hot and wet. Here rice or paddy, rice is grown, cotton is grown, and sugar cane is also grown in this area, because all these crops need a lot of water to grow. And forests of hardwood, teak, timber and bamboo are found in this area. The human activities in these areas are agriculture, main activities, two main activities are there, and industrialization are the two main activities of this world, this part of world. And also mining is an activity which is done by the people of monsoon region. So I hope that you are very clear about this region now. Okay, thank you.